Yeah, man, you don't know from your advice, you don't know, say, Bones there represent for Sandy and Bones, Stevie, and you don't know Queenie, you don't know Skeleton and them people ever give themselves trouble and them never nobody don't know who me attack or Amari me attack. You see it, you don't know, say, I fear her name that, you see me? Yeah, man. And you don't know if you're new around here, just remember to like, comment, and share and subscribe to the TV for future upload. You just get it right as it drop. You see it, but I don't know if most sound go over TikTok from morning and say a walk one of a beauty being them life and them something. Them a trick the people, them a tell them say, yo, them a deal with call center job and them look something, and the whole of them thing there is a joke thing and a thief and thief people them money and them look something there. You see it. And beauty bling over man and the whole team and TikTok lie and the whole of them somebody them scam out the people and make the people them buy laptop and headphone and all kind of things that them out the call center work. And Queenie they dash a fire upon Amari and the girl named Danger, you see it. So we have that video forwarding up, you see me, but you don't know. The people them can't on TikTok and the one Amari, you see it. The one Skeleton. Yeah man, she attack something about a little baby, about Ivany, a little baby, and say people have her in a hot car and this and that, and them look have him in a hot car, you see it. But I'm hard to stop them thing there, you see it. And that's why I should go over TikTok this man and then ban her page for she over there spread be a fake news, you see it. I wouldn't like the fake news. If you bring entertainment or you bring something across the people, them just be honest, you see it. Yeah man, we are going to be on here with Queenie about a fire, you see it. Yo, I'm not into a go jot video. I'm going to be on here with Queenie, I say, you see it. For she that she fire red now for yo. I be a mix up a go on a TikTok, you see it. You don't know RT at this beauty bling and the whole of them. I be a corruption a go on over there. You see it. YouTube, TikTok are rubbish, you see it. YouTube are the real place. Amari can't walk in my shoes. For fun and joke aside, Amari cannot walk into my shoes. That's why Amari is jealous of me. Amari is threatened. Alexa, can you play flashbacks? Listen. Me and I go sing. By hibernation. No. From no by hibernation. Alexa, stop. Pluck. Flashbacks by Queen Lady Spotify. Thank you. Oh, sure, I'm pretty. Oh, Amari, I want me kick off Amari face. You know, mad. Not to stay relevant by so-called people. She's a leader. So she put herself in a hospital to get attention. She must think that me go sick. I me the call of sickness by myself. I'm scared of that bitch. She's so conniving. Amari's a walking. Before we go sing, she do an ad session to take the gangster from my name. I'm going to be a flat girl. And I go for a little slimsy, dirty slime myself. I never care her nor go because she was non-entity. But because I mean I clash, I have to acknowledge her because I couldn't clash myself. There you go, in it. So with me, with my loving soul that me have, yeah, I just accept her. I'm sorry, we are two girls, I will get the platform, make the best side. White wedding clothes. And regardless of what, I take it for joke because I can't put the friends aside and smile a while. But it's fucking rude. Then you come back, what the place name, on stage, you come, you do the fake kiss, then you go back and you sit down and chat so much shit because you haven't got any natural content. So you have to pick on people who are relevant. And like my Queen and Marian, you have to just continue, just live with it, Amar. Listen to this. In our own race, Danger can't be my match. Me send Danger go sing. If Danger never sing about me at 35 years, if Danger 42 or 42 years, Danger the music. I should never come sing about how my jaw thump out and all I wish to sing so she under skin. So Danger owe me for lick. So you tell your friend Danger. Danger can't contest me. I hear she have lyrics and she don't know the use herself. She's a stupid girl with nothing. Yes, she do not know
Una abandon me still they are trend. A long years, 41 years, Danger do music. Tell Danger to me, say she owe me a body wash. And me make she go sting. If she never call me name, she wouldn't get piece of sting. When me go sting, I say I'm either because she's non-entity. You understand me? Oh, no, me not see she get no hit. Me not see she sing one song about sting. Me not see nobody on TikTok and run with her something. Double tap meme. Go over TikTok and make that meme. Me have means until my scheme to time. I wonder if I go lean. Glad scene. And you can't talk to me. I have qualities and morals. Me not entertain no girl with my default and my hurt. Yeah, I'm a starting up firm for that. I show understand. Me is a woman to my word. Me not sell soul. I feel like long live Queen Lady Gangster. Tell Dangerous that she owe me a body wash. Good morning. That is it. Yeah, tell us that me make sugar thing. Well done. Yeah. So if you pick up the music and fling some music I word, I know worry about me. And that me have to tell everybody have them own blood like the song. Don't girl, I don't like the song. I shame of the girls so my eyes from me come with all. I'll tell you no. All I want to take it for Joe, but it's the true thing. I go there in my whole stage to the next one. So you know me though? Them say a wise man once says nothing. I play a fool. I me just hold my can and make them throw a piece of shit for me and then just get some disinfection and wash it off back. When you can live like that, you will be okay. You're mad, you know, see my husband back together. Then me could have got to take up that for a contest, Danger to get highlighter for me. You know, see me sing stand for popcorn and popcorn I look for me. Popcorn I big up, see when them look me, I big up the sheet, so I look for now. Yeah. Go boss yourself, girl, and send tune and leave it, boy, I use me think you'd get. You think Instagram go be relevant. I say, oh, the queen, lady gangster, one queen in the deck, double top queen up. That's my enough token for you to try and diss me and think me that I can compete with your thing. That's a different style, man. You know, Nicki Minaj and Spice. I mean, that girl, the girl, let me know is where she come. And me not believe in for people use sickness and cuss people. All them deep something you gonna get up talk about me. I rebuke you back, bitch. I rebuke you and send you back to the pit of hell. Don't come to me with that girl. Right.